So we're actually on this field over here to the left of us, and the geese yesterday afternoon were spread out all the way from the west side of the field all the way to the east side of the field. We got a northeast east wind here today, so we're gonna set up on the east, see if we can pull them across. Not a big field, only about a 20, 30 acre field here, so should be a good one.
Obviously being getting fed.
Oh yeah.
Nice shoot, guys.
More coming.
Come there, guys, come there! Had to touch up a few cripples, gonna get on the field behind us here, so we'll pick them up quick and more coming. Come there, guys, come there! Nice shooting, guys. Burning powder. Kill that goose, guys, kill that goose! Nice shoot, Kennedy. Kill there, guys, kill there! Yeah, we're at her. Game over. Gave her. Oh, boys. Sorry. No, you're good.
People are looking for a waterfall destination. One of the most overlooked places by far is northern Wyoming. What we do out here is we offer world-class duck and Canada goose hunting. We got a duck season that starts at the end of November, runs all the way through the end of January. We got a Canada goose season that parallels that and runs all the way through the middle part of February. Arguably, I would say Wyoming is one of the most consistent places left in the United States to waterfall hunt. Coupled with that, the very diverse landscape that we get to hunt on, from the various river systems, the small creeks, the hot ponds, the fields, just a real diverse landscape, very unique experience when you come out here. We've got a 5-star lodge, phenomenal meals. When you guys come out here, pretty much all of the bases are covered. You just got to get here and we'll kind of take care of the rest. For more information on our hunts, check out mountainviewmallards.com.
All right, how's it going? Out here with Mountain View Mallards for the afternoon shoot. We got a little bit of snow falling, should get these ducks flying early for the afternoon. What we got is about 2.5 dozen full body SX honkers, and then about 3 dozen of the ducks. We're kind of in a hurry, so we just threw the ducks out on the ground here. It'll work perfect for us. We've got a good wind. Birds should come in nice and easy. Just stay tuned. We'll get in the blind, have some fun.
And he's about to burn his boots and it's going to melt off. Pretty sure we can get that on film. Shake. That was an unfair fight.
Kill him. Kill him.
Mallard 1. Bringing the meat, boy.
Yep.
That's a haul there.
Mallard ducks 5.
One day. Okay. What do you need? This one is 5 mallards, 5 honkers. Hey guys, just wrapping up a excellent day here in Wyoming. We honker hunted in the morning, shot a 40 rack. We had 8 guys out. Don't get to do it super often, but we actually had a really good duck field with a snowstorm rolling in for the afternoon, so brought them back out for the duck hunt and smashed another 40 rack of mallards out of the field. So pretty good first day for this group. Started her off on the right foot and go back to the lodge, get some pictures, and be ready to rock and roll for the next morning.